Hi, my name is Yoshi. I'm gonna cook my favorite side dish, potato salad today. It's very popular among Japanese. When you go to Japanese restaurant in Los Angeles and order teriyaki chicken, very often potato salad come with the dish. Potato salad is simple and easy to cook, yet tasty. First, peel 1 pound potato and cut into bite size. Boil in hot water about 12 minutes. Cut medium sweet onion into quarter. If you like a little bit spicy, regular yellow onion is good for you. Sweet onion is for everybody. If I make potato salad only for me, I use regular onion. Cut thin along with texture. I like this way. Make potato salad more like fresh vegetable salad. Cut whole small Japanese cucumber simply into thin, but not too thin, round shape. I like to enjoy the texture of cucumber. You can cut into any shape if you like. Japanese cucumber is the best for Japanese style. However, if you have difficulty to find one, Persian, English, and the pickled cucumber are good too. If you buy pickled cucumber, skin is thick, so peel skin lightly. Cut ham into small pieces. You can use baked bacon instead of ham. Sometimes I put boiled egg too. Chopped boiled egg gives salad a nice color and taste. Peel and cut half medium-sized carrot. Cut into quarter lengthwise, then cut them thin. I cut 4 pieces together, but 2 pieces at a time. It's better to cut nice and thin. Later, boil in the same pot already boiling potato. Soak the carrot in hot water 2 minutes before finishing the potato. Use metal strainer to separate the carrot from the potato. I tell you one more little ingredient to impress your gourmet guest. 1 teaspoon Japanese mustard. I found brand name SB on Amazon. That's I'm using. You can find this at local Asian supermarket, I believe. Mix with water. I put more water to make it easy to mix with the salt. Drain hot water from the potato and the carrot. Save them separately. Pour 1 tablespoon vinegar on hot potato. Smash the potato lightly because mix with the other vegetables later. Let the potato cool down. Drain water from onion and moisture out from the onion by using paper towel. Put all vegetables and ham on the cooled down potato. Mix lightly, then pour pinch of salt and black pepper and Japanese mustard. Finally, mix 3.5 ounces Kewpie mayonnaise gently. You can find Kewpie mayonnaise on Amazon or local Asian supermarket. I hope you enjoyed this video and someday you cook your own potato salad. See you on next one.